What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 13 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this small travel trailer. This is the Jayco J-Feather Micro 166 FPS. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Jayco J-Feather Micro 166 FPS. Let's go ahead and check out the specs before we tour this RV. So you've got a hitch weight of 415 pounds, an unload vehicle weight of 3,895 pounds, and then a gross vehicle weight rating of 4,995 pounds, so just under 5,000 pounds. You got an exterior length of 19 feet 7 inches, making this RV really nice because it's under 20 feet. Let's go ahead and check out the outside of this RV first, and then we're going to head inside and see what it has to offer. Up front, you've got your electric tongue jack, dual propane tanks with a nice cover, and then you've got a underbelly area of this RV. You got a nice magnetic latch, and then this passes through all the way to the other side. We'll check it out when we get to the other side. Hot water heater, and then you've got a small size slide out, but this right here, for only being less than 20 feet, you will see the difference it makes when we get inside. Outdoor shower, and then over to the tires, you've got this nice kind of like guard around the tires, and these tires are Goodyear Wrangler tires, so you got a nice quality tire. City water connection, and then you have your 30 amp plug-in, and then you have got stabilizing jacks, sewage and water dump, and then you've got your cable TV connection. On the back of this RV, you've got a nice ladder, and then this RV comes prepped with the Furrion camera backup camera prep, so that's a nice feature to be able to add. Got your furnace exhaust, and then you've got a nice ladder to get up on the roof and do maintenance. Then you've got an 11-foot awning on the campsite, 2 outdoor speakers, and then you've got Goodyear tires, as I mentioned, on the other side. Really nice. Whenever they put good quality tires on an RV, it's nice because tires are usually the first thing you replace when you get an RV. And then over here you have your LP Quick Connect, which is great for setting up a grill on the campsite. And then up front you've got another baggage door, magnetic latch, and then this right here is what we saw on the other side, and it actually extends out. And that's going to do it for that compartment on the exterior. But let's go ahead and check out this other one. This one right here, I would say the best way to use it is to put a mini fridge in it. Because it's just an odd spot and it's perfect for an outdoor mini fridge. That's going to do it for the outside. I'm ready to head inside of this RV and check it out. This right here is the Jayco J-Feather Micro 166 FPS. So you've got solid steps when you first walk in, and then this RV is prepped for the Lippert screen shade or thin shade, which is basically a shade that pulls up and keeps the light from coming in the window. When you first walk in this RV, you've got a bed up front, and then you've got a large sofa, kitchen, and then you've got a refrigerator in the back, as well as a bathroom. Let's go ahead and start with the refrigerator, and then we'll make our way to the front, and then we'll check out the bathroom. So this right here is a large refrigerator, nice and deep, and then down below is the freezer. Then down here you've got your fuse box, and then you've got lots of large, deep cabinets on the side of the refrigerator. And then you've got a small sink, lots of cabinet space below it. So it's really nice to have a lot of cabinet space in such a small RV. Next to the cabinet, you've got a microwave. It's a little bit on the smaller side. Then you've got your hood vent, and then you've got a 3-burner cooktop, and then there are some drawers beneath it. And then next to the kitchen, you've got this TV. This actually opens up. You just pull this little lever, and check this out. You've got a lot of storage behind it. So that is really cool, maximizing every little bit of space that they can. Beneath the TV, you have 2 drawers. These drawers are really big, nice and deep, and have a lot of space. Up front, you've got 3 large cabinets. This is great for putting your clothes up there or anything you're bringing with you. And then you've got a queen-size bed, and then beneath that is 2 cabinets. Now, the only thing that I wish they would have done with this cabinet is connected it to the underbelly storage. That way you could access it from inside and out. Then you've got a large sofa here, and you've got these little swivel tables on the edge. But this right here is a jackknife sofa, so it actually flips out into a large bed. Then you've got some cabinets up here, and it seems like those are almost soft close, which is kind of nice. And then in the very back, you've got quite a large bathroom for a small travel trailer. You got a sink or a cabinet underneath the sink. And then you've got a medicine cabinet. I wish they would go to the ceiling with these. Unfortunately, the light is in the way, but if they just moved it over, they could go to the ceiling. Large corner shower with a curtain that slides across. Skylight. See the little track it slides across. And then you've got your vent fan, a little tiny shelf, and then just a regular old plastic toilet. Then your toilet paper holder in the corner. Alright, so that right there is pretty much the inside of this RV, and then up front you do have an air conditioning unit. Now this air unit is a little bit on the louder side, but it's pretty much the only AC unit you will see in these smaller travel trailers. But that's going to do it for the tour of this Jayco J-Feather Micro 166 FPS. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.